All right, next move is to get that, if you can see that 8mm bolt off. But apparently it's better to pull the center section off before we pull off this from the turbine. That didn't work out. Shut the fucking mouth. Yes, I can. But that escalated quickly. Right? Shut up. There we go. That is part 1. It's in there.
Now what's it sound like?
Cobb, y'all didn't send me my freaking stencil. I want a refund. Alright, well, now we're in the middle of the factory backup. This Ford won't shut up.
Well, it's a Ford, so.
How's your Chevy treating you?
How's my what?
How's your Chevy treating you?
Just fine.
I wonder why.
What you mean? It's a Chevy.
Stop messing with him. His blood pressure's gonna get too high.
It's a Chevy.
I can't put that on there for HIPAA reasons.
You can put that on there. That is just fine.
Definitely need your engine to the turbo before.
We got boost noises. Alright, that's 2-step.
I got. We'll be setting that in a second.
2-step time.
Well, we thought we were done. Gotta make it official. Yeah, that car is a little loud. It's a little loud right now. It's a little obnoxious. Uh-huh. Guess we'll take it for a little rip. If you guys stay long enough watching the video, we'll give you a sneak peek of another build that's about to be done. All right, so before we end the video, sneak peek of another. Yeesh!
No, don't get no Ford back.
Where's the hood latch at?
On the panel, it's not. Whenever it's a nice. No.
So if you stayed so long, stay long enough to
Dirty right now.
That's all you get. Bye.
Definitely dirty from sitting
Nope,
outside.
nope. Next video. Couple months down the road or something like that. Whenever we film another video. Oh no, the next video is going to be. We're gonna talk about that. Yep. All right, guys. Clearly, it's the next day. I'm in my garage. So when I got home today, another part came in for the car, as you guys can see. So really quick, I might as well throw on my choo-choo noises. So I am trying to minus the intercooler because I don't know which brand I want to go with yet. Plus, before I get that deep in the intercooler, I have a couple more parts coming in. And this needs to get over to Jeff's house so he can get cracking on that. But we'll deal with this in another video. One of the biggest things that's going on with this car is figuring out if we're going to pull the whole motor, which more than likely we are. So we'll see if I can make light work of this. It's a couple things in the way, but pretty much we take off these 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Disconnect that hose clamp. Pull it off. Switch it out for the new stuff. Boom. Choo-choo noises. All right, let's get her done. All right, guys, so when I tell you what made this hard is that bolt that you see right about, that's the rest of it. Let's see if I can get to that bolt. It's a bolt right under this bracket right here. It's the only thing that really made this job a pain, because I don't have a long enough Allen key to put that on. So I had to first twist it by hand to get it out. And then, well, first break it with the Allen key, a long Allen key and a set of pliers to get that out. The other two bolts, really simple, really easy. If I had a long enough Allen key socket, this job would have been done by now. All right, let's get this thing back on. All right, guys, I will not lie. That was a pain in the butt. And the main reason why it was a pain in the butt, make sure you have all the right tools. Luckily, I had things I could get it done with. So let's see what this thing sounds like. Alright, so we'll give you guys a little end car. Windows rolled up. Heat on. It's not that loud. I turned it down some because it was really obnoxious, but I love it. Well, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Stay tuned for all the next modifications that are coming to this. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna have some fun this summer. Peace out.